Hi friends, today we will be discussing about the changing the needle for the chemo port. There is a patient 60 to 70 year old age female patient of
77 years.
sorry 77-year-old female patient of GB carcinoma, gallbladder carcinoma, and she is on chemotherapy for which there is chemo port inserted right here. As you can see, the doctor will be showing this is the chemo port area. He is palpating and showing you this is the dimensions. Okay, now he will change the needle. Okay, and this is this thing. Okay, so now what is the first stage, doctor?
First
Tell.
we will sterile this area.
This doctor will perform the procedure. Okay.
First we will sterile this area.
Okay.
Then this is
Sterile एक बार use करके दिखा दो एक बार. So the doctor, first of all, the area is exposed. Surrounding is being cleared with the antiseptic solution.
Betadine.
With betadine. So patient herself is very much aware. She is very intelligent patient. She is describing us that we use the betadine.
She is a retired HM administrator.
Okay.
इनके पढ़े हुए डॉक्टर्स हैं, बहुत सर्जन, बहुत बड़े-बड़े.
जी. So the doctor is cleaning the area with E10. As you can see, from center to periphery. Whenever you do a procedure, we clean the area, we sterilize the area from center to periphery, so that the contamination from the periphery does not come towards the center. This was the first step, and the second step is, show me the heparin. You will take the, how much do you take this?
10 ml.
10 ml heparin do you use for this? We tell this Heplock. Heparin 10 ml you use it. Okay, in the syringe he has already taken. Okay, you can proceed now.
This is the chemo port needle. How it looks like?
This is the chemo port needle.
First remove all the hairs.
So he is injecting, pushing the heparin. ये नॉर्म NS यूज किया या हेपरिन यूज किया?
Heparin.
Okay. And
Just hold it like this.
he will hold it like this. Okay.
Remove the cap.
Then the cap to be removed. Light on करना. Yes. Then the cap is removed. Okay.
The needle is like bended little bit.
And this is the bent needle. Okay. Now
I will insert.
Now the actual procedure. So what we did, first of all, we have cleaned the area. This area we have cleaned. Then we have taken 10 ml heparin. Then we have taken the needle and we have cleaned the air, pushed out it, inserted the heparin in this. The cap of the needle removed and
श्वास लेना.
माता जी थोड़ा सा ठीक है, एक सुई लगा रहा हूँ.
you need to explain a procedure to the patient in short. The needle is inserted
हो गया.
in the area vertically. Lignocaine दिया ना? Okay.
हो गया.
So it is always better to anesthetize the area by local anesthetic.
First push it little bit.
Slowly you push it. See, we have inserted the needle like this. As you can see, the needle is vertical to the port, to the chemo port, and now this is the doctor is pushing it slowly, very slowly.
Reconfirm it. Yes. Then push it. The remaining hipolo.
First of all, he will pull back some blood so that the entry is confirmed, and the heparin is pushed slowly.
One more thing. How to take? Just lock it from here. Okay.
You have to lock it from here. Okay, doctor. Then
एक वो दे दो. 10 ml दे दो, 10 ml सीरीज,
Then cap is applied.
एक 10 ml दे दो.
Then he is using the 10 ml syringe for
To take sample,
to take the samples. Okay, doctor.
ECG हुआ, ईगो हुआ, अल्ट्रासाउंड हुआ, ये हुआ,
अभी नहीं आया
ठीक है।
अभी अच्छी तरह
नहीं हो गया वो.
लॉक
Then
किया हुआ है
unlock it.
Now you have to unlock the this thing. The white thing is unlocked and you take the sample. So nicely it is coming out, as you can see. So with heparin you flush it after inserting the needle in the port and you take the sample out. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम?
माता जी हिलना नहीं है आपको.